Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You already have the Takeout archive, now locate it and get ready. First, verify the file finished downloading and note whether it's zip or TGZ. Next, move the archive into a dedicated working folder so extraction is predictable. If your system doesn't natively support the format, install a decompression tool like 7-Zip or the Unarchiver. This ensures you can extract large or segmented archives without errors. Once done, you'll be ready to extract the contents safely and start inspection. You're extracting now. Choose full extraction and keep the original folder structure so paths match what Google exported. After extraction, open top-level folders such as Mail, Drive, and Photos to identify the file types inside. For example, Mail usually contains Mbox files and Drive may contain original file types or zipped subfolders. Use the JSON files to map account metadata. Make sure to note large files and nested zips. If you find additional archives, extract them in place so nothing gets lost. You can now view content directly. Load Mbox files into an email client like Thunderbird or use a dedicated viewer, and open photos and videos with your regular media player. For Drive data, import or open files with their native apps. Convert formats only if necessary. If something goes wrong, check archive integrity with your decompression tool's test feature and confirm you downloaded every segment from Takeout. If segments are missing or corrupted, re-download the export and repeat extraction to resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.